Welcome to Radiolize. With Radiolize, you can plan your broadcast in advance and share your plans with your listeners without being in front of your computer. Let's click to the playlist section. By clicking Schedule View, you can easily view and edit your calendar, which you can also share with your listeners. Let's start by creating a specific playlist. You can fill your playlist name here, and you can customize how you want your playlist to behave. Let's click to the Schedule button. By clicking on the Schedule button, I can specify when I want my playlist to play and share it with my listeners via the widget I have already created. To fill in the required fields, you can save it by clicking the Save button. Now let's go to the Media from the Media panel. You can choose to save songs to your playlist individually or in folders. After selecting the folder or song I want to select, I simply click on the playlist I want to transform from the playlist section. And that's it. When I check my radio, you can see that my listeners can see the calendar I have planned on the widget. As long as you stay organized, you can get your audience used to a routine and give them a reason to wait. Thank you for using Radiolize.